at the beautiful Port Orleans Riverside Port Co-Chair, where everything is happening this morning. Lots of buses in and out. Everybody's coming in. Here's an Incredibles bus pulling in. It's a busy time this morning for Thursday, so we'll head into the lobby and check out the lobby. And this is the registration desk here at Port Orleans. Got the fans going back and forth here. And just to the right here, as you look out the windows, you can oversee the Sassagoula River and the waterfront area. Some fishing tours going out there this morning. Once again, a look at the beautiful lobby here. And then this is the Medicine Show Arcade. Opens at 8 a.m. We did take a look in here the other night, but a large arcade. We'll walk out the other end here, because there's so much to do here at Riverside. Really a lot to do as we walk across the front porch here. Right over here is bicycle rentals. And then there's also the dock for the boat to Disney Springs. We'll go back inside the main lobby here. Where we just were. And kind of the reception waiting area here. The main entrance to the resort. ATM there in case you need it. DVC desk, they do cartoons here if you need to. We'll check into the River Roost here in just a second. But also, here is Fulton's General Store. Quite a large store as well here. Got Huey, Dewey, and Louie here. And of course Donald. And then on this side, got Mickey's Nephews, along with Goofy. This store pretty much has everything you need here for your stay at Port Orleans Riverside. Here on the left, this is the River Roost Lounge. And bar happened in place this morning. Not the bar in particular, but the rest of the resort is. But here's a good look at the River Roost Lounge, and this is where Yeehaw Bob performs several times a week. We'll walk the back way down these stairs, and this is Boatwright's Dining Hall, the full-service restaurant here on campus here at Port Orleans. Home style cooking. You see this is designed to be a shipbuilding place. So, an old plaque that gives us the history of boat rights. And then finally, the final building, just up the way, is the Riverside Mill. Which is happening this morning. Everybody here. As you see, busy spot for breakfast. This is the food court. And you can get all kinds of things here. And your mobile order pickup is around the side, along with your restrooms.
Did you want to the Christmas party? No.
And we're outside of the main building here. This is the waterway that operates the mill, of course. Now this bridge in front of us, we're gonna head over, and that'll take us to Old Man Island and the main pool complex here at the resort. And this is Old Man Island. We have a full lineup of recreation activities here. That they're doing throughout the week. And of course the sign for Old Man Island and the legend. Old Man Island right here.
I paid for everything. Why would you pay that?
And it looks like the lifeguards are doing a training this morning and checking on the pool area. But here is the main pool area. We have enjoyed. And they've got a waterfall, and they've got a slide there on the other side. That's the slide complex there at the top. Hammocks, hot tub over there, and then there's a kiddie pool on the other side. Coming around here is the quite sizable Muddy Rivers pool bar. We'll head up these stairs, and you can see this is the not open for business yet. It's a little early in the morning for the bar, but the pool bar goes all the way around here. Again, there's a look at the pool. As they try to get a ball out of the but here are the pool restrooms, foosball table, water bottle. And over here is the Magnolia Bend playground. Also over here as we explore Old Man Island is the campfire area. We'll walk over here because there's a significant tree, believe it or not. But we'll walk past the custom-built playground. That looks like kind of cool. And this oak tree has some significance here. It was one of the first ones planted on the property. It's a beautiful old oak. one more thing to see on Old Man Island as we walk around the outer edge of the Muddy Rivers Pool Bar, I should say. Past the campfire area. As we work our way down this path, back towards Alligator Bayou where we're staying, you'll see the fishing hole, where you can come and do some cane pole fishing. This is open from 7 a.m. to 1:45 p.m. $6.39 per half hour. So a unique offering here at Port Orleans. And a spare hammock. Building 37, and we're in room 3716. It's a hotel we stayed at a long time ago, right?
Yeah, right.
But we stayed in the Magnolia Bend side of things.
Yeah.
But now we're here, and this is a cute room.
It is a cute room.
What do you think?
Pretty well themed. I like it. It's very bayou-like.
Well, why don't you take us on a tour real quick?
All right. Well, as you enter the room, you have this really cute little table.
It is.
It's like wood design.
Yeah. Big mirror right there, wood frame.
Like patchwork curtains.
They are.
Wooden frame, big mirror, yeah.
That's super
All
cute.
right.
And then this is a 2 queen, I'm guessing.
Yes, 2 queens.
It's got the
I think. It's got little like Princess and the Frog.
Princess and the Frog. Look at the lanterns. They're not on right now, but those are great.
There we go. And then
Guess what it has here? The new Disney Alexa.
Alexa, yeah.
Oh, she heard me.
She did.
I don't know that one.
Thanks.
And then we have a
one side table.
It's like a little crate.
Uh-huh.
There's some good Princess and the Frog artwork.
Let's take a look at the Princess
of
and the Frog
Bayou.
artwork there. And then we'll go in the bathroom here.
You want to swing around to the other bed?
Oh, well, we're gonna get back to that. Don't you worry.
Okay. So we've got the bathroom.
Yeah.
Cute, like
It's got like a washboard here.
Acadian washboard style on the front.
And the
nice
big mirror.
Double vanity, big mirror.
Double vanities are something we don't see in the value resorts.
No glass. We have a shower curtain, but it's
Oh.
got the fireflies on it. Very cute and like wood themed in the shower.
It is. That is neat. Super clean is what I'm noticing. I really get the feeling the flooring is very nice to match. Hardwood
Some
floor.
storage over here. The like shiplap board.
Yeah.
Cute. Some
And-
storage over here with a
Little-
hat rack or something. I like the tin
The punch tin
Yeah, the punch tin.
with the weeds.
And look, it's
not
like
the
a
weeds.
key.
What am I looking for? Cat tails?
Cattails.
Yeah.
And lily pads.
And this
That is
holds
the beverage cooler. We also have a little coffee pot, ice, a bucket.
And then this is a Sleeps 5 kind of deal here.
And
Has the
USBs and plugs.
USBs and regular plugs. And
It's a
then,
bench. It has drawers down here for storage.
oh, look at that.
3 drawers.
Yeah, because it's missing a dresser here.
It is.
That is the one thing it's missing.
So yeah, there's no dresser.
Because it is a Sleeps 5 deal. And this, look at this.
There you go.
How cute. So this
Twin
is
size
a
bed.
single bed, I would say. You think twin? I think it's a single.
Well, a twin is a single. Dude.
Okay. If you say so.
But it's pretty short for a
It is
single.
tiny. This,
It is made for a child.
yeah.
But look at the cute artwork.
Oh, there's Louis the alligator and
And
Tiana and Naveen
Yeah.
and everything. So what are first impressions of this room?
I like it. It's also very cute outside. We'll have to show you that in the morning.
Yeah, definitely gonna do a full resort tour along with this room tour.
It's cute. I mean, I really like the mansion rooms because I like the outside look of the building, but this is very like cute and bayou like.
Yeah, I think we're gonna be okay here.
I think so.
Last time, 10 years ago, we stayed in Magnolia Bend, but still a gorgeous resort. We were quite happy with the Alligator Bayou section as well. And I mean, you can see why. This resort is very pretty, as are all the Disney resorts. They do stand up. So we hope you enjoyed this tour, and like, subscribe, and please thumbs up. We'll see you in the parks next as we leave and head out on our day's adventures.